All right, Dad, what's going on right now?
We're gonna go see our boy Elon.
SpaceX is launching. SpaceX is launching to.
Where's the key?
Are they going to Mars or the moon?
No, I don't think they're going to Mars yet.
Oh.
The Falcon 9 is fully fueled. We have fuel on both the first and second stages, and both stages are filled with liquid oxygen.
Gas closeout has started. Expect loud venting.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA. Go SpaceX. Godspeed, Bob and Doug.
Oh, there's one. Oh my God, that's a big piece. Is that a piece dropping? It's going right into the ocean, right? Holy God. That's cool. Oh my God, is that? Whoa! That's a big piece. Wow, that's incredible. That's pretty cool.
That was cool. Water's cold.
The guy next to us though was like, it's gonna light up when it hits the water. I remember he was like, when that piece drops, it's gonna light up, and it never did. It's kind of disappointing. Riverside Theater. Don't really know. What do you think that is, like for plays?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Use the art museum.
Oh, here's the museum?
Do whatever you want.
What looks real, that? Oh wait, it's fake? Oh my God, I tried to like point the camera away from him. I thought he was real. What in the heck? Whoa, it like actually feels like skin too. That is just messed up. I thought he was real. That's crazy.
We're rather mesmerized.
So it's like an illusion, right? It's not real. It stops there. Dad, how do they make it look like that though? That's insane.
It's pretty cool.
Do you know how people find these fascinating, Dad? I don't.
I'm not a connoisseur of art either.
No. What, is that, that's just for a new one, right?
Yeah. No, it's like an invisible piece of art.
Yeah, I was gonna say, is that one really? That one's probably worth like $1 million. The invisible one over there. Okay, just red blocks, but nice. Okay, you ready to go to the city? Do they call it the city? What do they call it?
No,
I think it's called
in
the city.
town. I don't know.
It's kind of, I don't know. Let's just go.
All right, so we got our healthy dose of art in, so we could check that box.
Yeah. Didn't think we were gonna be going to an art museum today, or any day.
Oh,
But
we did. So
we did.
There you have it.
$8.
Well-rounded trip. Well-rounded trip.
Mm-hmm. They do, where? Did you see one?
Hi, how are you? Thanks very much.
Oh, you're so welcome. Thank you. 2?
Yeah, can we get outside?
Yeah, go put that in table.
All right, thank you.
Did you say thank you right there?
I did. I slipped. Slip of the tongue. This is cool, though, huh?
That is cool.
the next day.
What are we doing?
Right now we're going on the jet skis.
What's that thing?
This is like, you put your phone in it.
Oh boy, I don't know about this.
What? It was only $2.
That's what I mean.
Kidding.
$2.
So look, you put it in here, and
It's
then you
like
can
sealed
seal
up
it.
tight. Oh boy,
And
we'll
then-
see how that works out. Let's go.
Wait, shouldn't we do an endorsement for it? I don't know what it's called.
We'll do an endorsement if it works. How's that?
All right.
If it doesn't work, then we're screwed. But
Dad, pretty sweet, huh?
what's up?
We just saw a dolphin, and I don't know where it was. Look at these ginormous houses. Whoa, Dad. This thing floats, by the way, with it on. Resume normal, safe operation. All right, let's resume then.
Hold on.
I'll wait.
All right. Let me hold on. Go
Yeah,
ahead,
you
hit
got
it.
the phone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold it. All right, here we go. Hold it tight.
Remember, we're not in this channel.
You got it, right?
Yeah, but I'm not in the bag, so be careful.
Captain Herring's.
Hiram, Captain Hiram's world famous.
Really?
Yeah, Aunt Kristen used to work there actually. It's not stupid.
Here, let me see.
There it goes. World famous Captain Hiram's.
We're gonna go right on, just go back to that.
Let's see what time it is actually. All right.
Well, way down yonder on the Chattahoochee, it gets hotter than a hoochie coochie. We laid rubber on the Georgia asphalt. We got a little crazy, but we never got caught. Down by the river on a Friday night, pyramid of cans in the pale moonlight. Talking about cars and dreaming about women. Never had a plan, just a living for the minute. Yeah, way down yonder on the Chattahoochee, never knew how much that muddy water meant to me. But I learned how to swim and I learned who I was. A lot about living and a little about love. Well, we fogged up the windows in my old Chevy. I was willing, but she wasn't ready. So I settled for a burger and a grape snow cone. I dropped her off early, but I didn't go home. Down by the river on a Friday night, a pyramid of cans in the pale moonlight. Talking about cars and dreaming about women. Never had a plan, just a living for the minute.
How was it?
What?
How was it?
It was fun. Oh my god, I got soaked.
Nice. You want to head back?
Yeah, let's head back.
Down by the river on a Friday night, pyramid of cans in the pale moonlight. Talking about cars and dreaming about women. Never had a plan, just a living for the minute.
Hit the gas.
How was it, man?
It's super fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You get a chance to steer a little
Oh
bit?
yeah.
A little bit. I think I only drove to the point where you saw me. I got a little, well, he's 4 now. When he was 2.5, 3 years old, I just put him on the disc. He was 2.5 here, yeah. You guys see any wildlife at all? Any dolphins or anything?
I saw one dolphin.
Yeah?
We saw a lot of pelican.
Like, yeah, I did.
No manatees though.
Yeah, you don't see the manatees all the time. Most people see the dolphins most of the time. The manatees hang around these little cove areas. You have a better chance of just seeing them right here in the marina.
Yeah.
You guys got any water left in that cooler? Take it, man.
I didn't think we'd go that far, but when you said head down to Wabasso Bridge, I was like, oh, all right.
It's a good ride, though, man. It's a real smooth ride, so it makes
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the older jet skis, man, you might get a little beat up before
Yeah,
you get
well,
Wabasso
you were
Bridge.
right. When we were coming south, it was choppier.
Yeah.
And windy, really windy.
When you guys passed Wabasso Bridge, it kind of got a little choppy too, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it was nice, though.
It's not, yeah.
That was fun, huh?
That was awesome.
So that's what a manatee is. It's like a whale. Wait, no, that's a manatee.
That is a whale.
Injuries.
See right there.
That's a manatee. Wait, there's whales in this? There's whales in the Indian River. 3 in a row, 3 in a row. Pull.
Trying to get my money up. I gotta buy new shoes. Cause I just want the simple stuff.